Hey everyone, I'm here with Chad from Optus Resins today. We're going to be showing you an installation for Pebblestone. We're going to start with our grade. It's already prepped here, ready to go. We're going to be putting down a mat. We'll come back to you, kind of show you how we're doing that, and then we'll kind of go through all the steps and show you what we're doing. Okay, now that we've got our sub base down, we've placed our substrate. Our substrate is made out of fiberglass, very high-tech woven mesh that's going down underneath of our product. This is going to let it be permeable, which will allow rainwater to infiltrate through the system and go into the ground. That's great for a lot of these new municipalities where you're being told that you can't pour X amount of concrete in your backyard because of flooding. So that's something that's coming down the pipe for a lot of municipalities. We're getting ready to start mixing our product to go over this, but this is basically a floating system. So we're going over a gravel base here, but we could be going over existing asphalt or existing concrete. This product can be placed as minimal as 5/8 of an inch up to 1.5 inch thickness. Okay, so we just finished up our Pebblestone application. We did the borders yesterday. We did the infill today. We're going to come back tomorrow and just wash everything up, and we'll go around our border and soften our radius up real nice, trim up where we need to, and make it all uniform. And this is all a permeable product, meaning when it rains, the water will infiltrate the product itself, just like it would in your yard or in a gravel bed.